Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami paper plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well to have a crease on your paper. Now, from the other side again, fold and press it. Again fold it and press. Now fold a card shape from one side and mark it. Fold it and press to have crease. Now from the other side, repeat the step. Press it well. Open it. Again fold it according to the creases from the opposite side and again fold it. Now again press it. Press it well. From one side and then the other. Press it well. Now open the folds. Now according to the crease, fold it again into a leaf type shape. And then from the other side, repeat the step. Repeat the step and press it well. Now fold it as shown in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to remain updated. You may visit our channel to have the glass of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now fold it from the bottom and press it well. Now fold the wings from one side and then the other and press it. Now fold the sides and press it from one side and then the other. To add some details, press the steps very well and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.